Well, it's a sort of another episode here, and hopefully today I can at least get the bars up and get a couple tack welds, or slightly stronger than a tack weld up there, and bolt it all down and start putting the hoops up, and even maybe start painting. But weather is still looking really weird though. Like I've got really dark clouds over there, and I got some sun over here, and I got a lot of winds, but it's supposed to be like no chance of rain. We'll see. But yeah, I've got kind of a 2-hour window where I can make a little bit of noise. So I'm going to use that to kind of tap away any slag and then brush and stuff like that, and try to get that weld to at least have something to hold it. Once again, I don't, there's not many vines on it right now, so there's not a lot of weight. As long as it can hold itself up, and it should be able to, then I'll just continue on. And then today and tomorrow, I'll put it all up and then start painting, because I got the full weekend to paint. So could get her done. Really hope so, because I've had enough of it. Let's go. Alrighty, got all my protection on. So I can first tack it together, and then fill it in. Come on. be good enough. I'll sign the rest off, or sand the rest off another day. It should hold though. Well, it's not very good, but it should hold, at least for now. I'll go back on it on Friday or... Well, that was definitely one of the hardest things I've done. It's like trying to hold the stick when all of the scaffolding swaying on me and everything. I couldn't even do a straight line at all. It was just like it was bopping all over the place, and a gust would come and it would lift up and But anyways, it's there now. It's enough to stick it together. I'll sand it down, grind it down, and then take a look at it. Maybe I can weld underneath a bit or something. But once again, I don't think it's got to be too massively strong. There's only ever going to be one of the hoops resting on the gap between them. I wish they'd been more staggered, but whatever. Good enough, right? They're ugly though. Wow.